This breakdown's behind the kitten who came with love that helped me heal, left me in pain. Can't display that type of image, just thoughtless, speechless, the feeling got me heartless. Now my heart's cracked, cause that love got stuck with missing. It's juvenile, cause imposter got bigger fishes. Been getting high, eliminate what I'm feeling. Put me in my thoughts till that thought process got extended, and making me emotional, putting me in my feelings about you. Like who's been loving you, and if you're still alive. Day and night all I did was cry. Still say your name, hoping that you hear me. From West Dallas to Irving, spirits leaving, hoping you can feel me. Cause when you left, I stood by the door and said I loved you, then I watched you leave. Later on it felt differently. What's in boots? Like that was the last time. Like for you and I to reunite. Don't go, cause if that's the last time for you and I to reunite, and I wanna go. All while I was healing, now came more scars. All while I was healing, all while I was